video, I share simple skincare habits. These are all easy to follow and you can start on them from today. The first one is pay attention to your skin. Your skin doesn't need the same routine every day. Maybe your skin that day feels a bit extra dry. Then maybe you need a cream on that day. Maybe it feels a bit extra oily that day. Then you might go for a niacinamide serum. Maybe it's a bit irritated on that day. Then you might put some 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream on your face. Yes, 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream. More on that a bit later. Respond to what your skin needs and adjust accordingly. The second thing is you don't need to cleanse your face multiple times with a cleanser. Now for dry skin, in fact for every skin type other than oily skin, cleansing your face with cleanser just once a day is more than enough. Now I have dry skin. I actually use a cleanser only in the night time to get my sunscreen and my makeup off if I've got makeup on that particular day. I actually splash cold water on my face in the morning time and then I go on to apply skincare on top of it. Now if you've got oily skin, if you feel your skin is really dripping in oil that day and you need to cleanse it even in the morning, go for it. Always only use cold water for your face. No hot water and no warm water. Now if it's extra cold, very freezing conditions in the place that you live, then you might opt for lukewarm water, but cold water is what's best for the face. And when you do cleanse your face with a cleanser, always make sure your face is a bit damp. Don't put cleanser on the dry face. Now the next thing is never use any harsh products on your skin, especially the exfoliating scrubs which has got seed powder and all that can do real damage to the skin. And if you're using any DIY masks, make sure there's nothing harsh in there. Now the next thing is nighttime skincare routine is an absolute must. Now nighttime is when we rest, we sleep. So our skin does most of its rejuvenation in the nighttime. So if you don't put any skincare products, good skincare products in the nighttime, skin will be ready for the rejuvenation, but there'll be no products to help. So nighttime is where most of that well-aging takes place. So never miss your nighttime skincare routine. And always do your nighttime skincare routine at least 15 minutes before you get to bed. So that way the products stay on your skin and not go onto the pillows and the bed sheets. Change those pillow covers and bed sheets regularly. That's really important. You'll notice a big difference actually if you do that. And if you've got acne prone skin, you might have to be more regular than normal, but do that because that makes a big difference. And also another thing is always try and lie flat on the bed. Try not to sleep on the sides. This again is a small tip but does make a big difference. The next thing is start using retinoids. Now these are your vitamin A derivatives. These are your retinol, retinal and retinoic acid. Now our skin starts losing collagen from our 20s. So you need to start using vitamin A derivatives from your 20s. Don't wait for your 30s or 40s or 50s. Start early. Next thing is sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must every day. Always use a broad spectrum sunscreen. That's the sunscreen which is going to cover you both from UVA rays and the UVB rays. Try and use a sunscreen which has got SPF 50. If not, SPF 30. 50 is preferable. Anything lower than 30, no. Go for 30 and above. Always put 2 finger lengths of sunscreen on your face and neck, 2 finger lengths, and when you do reuse the sunscreen, that is you have to reapply every 3 hours at least, again reapply 2 finger lengths of sunscreen. And if you are indoors and if you're surrounded by tall glass windows and there are no curtains, you would need that sunscreen because those UVA rays can penetrate and get into your room and then affect your skin. And put the sunscreen on at least 15 to 20 minutes before you step out because it does require that long for it to become effective. Sugar is a big problem for skin. I love sugar, so this is a really hard thing for me to say. Sugar is a big problem. What happens is sugar enables something called glycation. Now glycation is a process where collagen tissue in your skin becomes ineffective. Collagen is actually what gives your skin structure. Now if the collagen becomes ineffective, that's when the fine lines and wrinkles start appearing on our skin. So sugar is what causes this glycation process. So we need to cut down on our sugar. So go slow on that sugar. And there are 2 must-have products and that's the 8th one. Those are your 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream and Vaseline. Just putting that on your skin will hydrate your skin and also reduce the redness, irritation, will calm the skin and give the skin a glow. Now think of baby's bottom. There's so much happening there with that nappy area, right? But all that is gone. It's healed because of that 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream and the Vaseline or the Vaseline that you would use in that area. The skin completely gets healed and that's what the Vaseline and 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream can do. And 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream and Vaseline are actually so inexpensive. So always have that in your skincare shelf and use it regularly. Vaseline is especially helpful in the winter season. Now these are 2 products which I apply, especially the 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream because Vaseline does have a thick structure. I try and do it only on the nights when I don't have to put makeup on the next day or I'm not going out the next day or something. But 𝗏𝗡𝗏 cream can wash off easily easily. So I try and use it at least twice a week. It does work really well. Next is, don't forget the neck. Always remember the neck, because skin here ages as well, right? And it is something we need to protect. So if you can apply a separate cream there, separate skincare product, excellent. If you can't, always after whatever you apply on your face, put it on your neck. There's always some product left on the palm, so put that on the neck. The same with sunscreen as well. Never forget your neck. And then never sleep with your makeup on. You see, nighttime is where the skin rejuvenates, like I said in the earlier part of the video. And if you've got makeup on, the damage that it would do, I think it would take weeks for the skin to come back to its original state if you sleep with makeup on. I really think so. That much damage it causes, because that's not good for your skin for such a long period of time when you're resting, when the rejuvenation is happening. Always remove your makeup. And remove your makeup properly. You might have to double cleanse sometimes. Go ahead and do that. But make sure there is no makeup. Remove it completely. And then finally, the 11th point, enjoy the process, because skincare is like a ritual. It's a self-care ritual. It's something once we start doing, we will enjoy. We will enjoy seeing the results, and we kind of become the experts in looking after our own skin. And try and understand a little bit about skincare. Now, you don't need to go and read hundreds of books about this. Just that extra 30 seconds to a minute spent on a video which explains why a product is good or why a product is not good. Don't just listen to the part where it says this product is good and this product is bad. Now understand why. Maybe they say it's got panthenol in it and that's why it's good, because panthenol is very hydrating and it also reduces the irritation on the skin. By listening to that extra 10-15 seconds, you've learned a bit about panthenol. So that's extra knowledge. Now you don't like this product, it's not a good product because it's got fragrance in it. Fragrance irritates the skin. Listening to that extra 5-10 seconds gave you that information about fragrance. So once you collect all that information, that kind of puts us in the driver's seat. We take control, and that's a beautiful state to be in. Skincare is really self-care. It's a beautiful ritual. Let's do it for ourselves. We're not doing it for anyone else. It's for ourselves. It's a process that we will immensely enjoy. Forget the skin. It's actually very soothing and calming to the mind. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.